Hi everyone, thanks for joining. Can someone let me know if I'm audible, please? Let me just set my camera. Thanks, Bhavish. So we will wait for a few more people, then we'll start. So basically, today's tutorial will be about acrylic painting, and we will be painting a moon, and this will be very quick, so it won't take much time. So here I'll be using some of the acrylic paints and one of my favorite, the canvas from MENORAH Stationery. It is triple layered gesso, and it is very much good for all the watery colors. For example, acrylics or gouache or poster colors, watercolors. Along with this, you can use it with oil colors as well. Alright, so here I'll be using only three of the acrylic paints, white and gray and black. These three. Oops. So already I have covered my canvas with the black acrylic paint. The base is white, so I just painted it with color black so that we won't waste much time. Alright, so I'll be starting with sketching a circle. However, it's quite optional if you want to do so or not. So I'll be using this tape and a pencil to just yeah. Now I'll be starting with color white. So here you don't have to be very much professional or precise while painting a moon. It's quite easy, and whatever you are making, it will turn out into a moon. So that's the whole point of making it, because it's very easy, and yeah, it looks lovely always. After applying a lot of uh, white color, we will be just wiping it off with the help of just you know a normal dry brush. So here I'll be making a gibbous moon rather than a full moon. So it will be, a little descending phase of a full moon, and it is of a waning side. So we don't have to cover the full part using the white. It's just cover 1/3 portion of it and spread the color. Always while making the moon, you just need to be very sure that you have these dry brushes, and you just need to smash the canvas using a brush. Just smear the white color. Once I'm done with color white, I'll be applying color black. Material details, I'm using the acrylic paints, like color white, color black, and color gray. Apart from this, I'm using the canvas from MENORAH Stationery. It is 6x4 size, and I'm just using a normal brush. You can use any of the brush, like flat or round brush. For the tiny details, I'm using 000 or 0 number brush. So moon has a lot of spots on it, and there are some round circles, and there are so many black spots that we can see. So we will be making that with the help of color black and gray, and just make the irregular patterns that way. There's a lot of area of color black we can see on the moon in day-to-day life. So I'm covering most of the part using that, and then after that we will be giving the final touch using color white just to make the brighter side of it. You don't have to apply much water to it. It's just like the dry color that allows you to, mix the shades in a proper way. So my most of the portion for color black is being covered. Now I'll be using color white again just to give a little bit of details. Along with this, I love to paint moon along with the glow in dark side. So I'll be using some of the glow in dark paint so that it can glow in the dark. It's a fluorescent base color, so it will give a tint of fluorescent green. And it looks amazing. You can use a gouache color, you can use oil paints, acrylics, watercolors even, like, any water based medium on this canvas, it will look good, and it's very easy. So it's not very specific that you have to use acrylic paints. Now with the help of color white, I'll be giving just the final touches to give the brighter side of the moon. So this is not a tube, basically it is a bottle that I got from the local store. This is how it looks like, the fluorescent color. It doesn't have any brand, however it says it is nuclear, but it's very local. However, you can get it from any of the art store. It is available at every art store, I guess. And it's easy to apply, easy to use. And just mix it with the acrylic paints to get the very good result. However, you can use it with the oil paints as well, but the oil based paints are very thick in viscosity, so just go for acrylic because these are very thinner and give the perfect result. Thank you, Rashi. I'll be adding few more white details to give more of the brighter side of the moon. If you believe in spirituality, then moon is one of the best source of energy. You can just pray to moon for more positivity and the positive energy in your life. You can manifest, you can do rituals, you can do meditation. I used to do a lot in front of my moon paintings. It helps me to remove negativity and negative thoughts. I think I'm done. I'll be just adding some stars using a toothbrush, a normal toothbrush. You can apply a color white to just sprinkle the color to give it a very starry-like effect. I think I'm almost done. And now I'm gonna show you the glow and dark effect of it. So I'm just gonna turn my light off. You can give a lot of effect using glow and dark paints. This is how it looks like. I used to charge it with the help of neon, this UV lights, and yeah, this is how it looks. After getting charged, it looks like this. There's a lot of moon that I can show you in my gallery. So these are the phases of moon. This is how it looks like. Let me just set my camera again. Alright, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the session, and it's very easy to make. You can make it in 10 to 15 minutes. It hardly takes a lot of time, and it looks very good. And you can paint all the faces of moon. It looks good if you place it on your wall, basically. Thank you so much. Follow for more Gerard Rocks. It is being painted. And MENORAH Stationery. There are some amazing stocks on their website. You can just go and check it out. Few of the amazing canvas. Meanwhile, happy festive season. Keep painting. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Neon Paint brand is this thing. It's very local. You can get it from any of the art store. Thank you so much, Surbi. Alright guys, bye bye, take care, happy festive season, good night.